Ever wondered how to turn your flat-looking footage into something that looks cinematic? In this video, I'll show you how to color grade like a pro using Filmora's LUTs, HSL, and color wheel tools all in just a few minutes. Before we begin, please visit the official Wondershare Filmora website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming Filmora color grading tutorial. With Filmora, no need for complicated color panels or extra plugins. Filmora makes it super easy. Let's dive in. Import and apply LUTs for color grading. First, launch Filmora and start a new project. Then import your clip into Filmora's media bin and then place it onto the timeline. Now, head over to the Color tab, and you'll see a section called LUTs, Lookup Tables. These are preset color styles that instantly change the mood of your video. Hover over your mouse on the LUT to see the preview on your footage. Click one that fits your vibe and transform your footage into something cinematic and unique. Make whole scene much better with LUT. You can even import the LUTs from your PC. Just click on the import and select the LUTs of your choice and use them without any hassle. With the Protect Skin Tone slide, you can control the intensity of the LUTs on the skin. See the difference? LUTs are the fastest way to get that professional look with just one click. Fine-tune LUTs colors using HSL for color grading. Next, let's refine the colors using HSL, which stands for hue, saturation, and luminance. Hue changes the actual color tone, like turning a sky from blue to aqua. Saturation adjusts how intense the color is, and luminance controls how bright it looks. Try small tweaks. Maybe boost the greens if you're outdoors, or adjust skin tones to make them pop. HSL is perfect for those fine details that LUTs can't always handle. Use the color wheel for balanced color grading. Now, for even more control, jump into the color wheel section. You can adjust shadows, midtones, and highlights individually. You can even change the colors of highlights, midtones, and shadows using color wheel. For example, adjust the shadow color can change the whole look of your video. This is where the magic happens. Small adjustments on midtones can completely transform the feel of your footage. Here is the comparison of the same footage before and after the LUT color grading. Save and reuse your grade for further color grading. Once you've got your perfect color grade, don't forget to save it as a preset. You can apply it to future videos instantly, a huge time saver for consistent looks. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've taken your footage from flat to cinematic using LUTs, HSL, and the color wheel, all inside Filmora. You want to make your videos stand out without complex color grading software? Filmora gives you all the tools right at your fingertips. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora color grading tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.